did was we made more than 50 rainsticks and attached them to a crank system so that when you crank it, it creates a continuous sound of rain. I think the greatest challenge was coming up with a design that we could finish in 10 days on site. Because normally, because we work with metal, we're used to like laser cutting, machining, and having all those fit in 10 days was a big challenge. The experience working with other artists was fantastic. I've never been so happy to work with such creative people, and there was a point when I was getting worried whether I could finish making all the rainsticks myself, but everyone came in and helped me out, so it was a really heartwarming experience.